Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got another pair of earbuds that I think you're gonna like. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Earfun Free Pro 2. So in this video, we're gonna unbox these, we're gonna check out the features and specs, we're gonna take a look at the build quality, and we're gonna see how they fit, and more importantly, we're gonna see how they sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. All right, so they come in this white and black box. We've got some Earfun branding up top, the earbuds front and center. These are active noise cancellation. They are IPX5 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.2, and they've got low latency game mode along with wireless charging. All right, on the back of the box, we've got some features and specs. So again, these are the Earfun Free Pro 2s. They've got hybrid active noise cancellation up to -40 decibels, 6mm composite drivers, multi-microphone noise cancellation technology for when you're calling. They provide very good clarity, and that's something we'll try out. We've got transparent mode that allows you to hear the ambient sounds around you. Again, 30 hours of playtime with 6 hours on a single charge and 24 hours when using the case to charge. And these are IPX5 water resistant. The case is wireless charging compatible. You can use the earbuds in single mode. And again, these are touch controls. All right, so let's open this up and see what we get inside. So right out the gate, there is the earbuds inside the case. Very nice and slim and compact. And nothing here. Very nice packaging, by the way. Looks like these are some ear tips. You've got a user manual, a little cleaning guide. Well, here are the ear tips. The other ones are the wing tips that go around the earbud. These are the ear tips right here. Additional 3 pairs. Get a little cleaning pick. This is a USB charging cable. I won't open it, but it's a USB-A to a USB-C. Here is the earbuds, well, the case. Here is the case. Let's open this up. Here is the case. Very nice and slim. You got some Earfun branding up top. Got a little LED light right here in the front. There it goes, lights up. So you know you got some battery life. Back here you've got your USB-C port. A nice snap to it when closing. So while we have this open, let's do a quick magnet check. See how well the magnets hold these earbuds in place. I would say that passes. They did not fall out. Very good. I like that. And here are the earbuds. Very nice. I got some Earfun branding on the side here. And these are those wing tips I was talking about. Should be nice and secure in your ears with that design. Again, Earfun on the side here. You've got your charging pins right there. You've got a L decal so that you know this is for your left ear. And then on this side, you've got R for right. Very nice. All right, so let's try these on and see how they fit. Go on like that. There you go. The right, left, fit pretty good. Look pretty good, I think. And very compact. So no stem on these ones. Very comfortable so far. Ooh, I like that. These are the first buds that I have in this design. So again, very compact. Should have no problems keeping these in your pocket, even if you are rocking skinny jeans. Let's pair this with my phone so we can test and see how they sound. All right, guys, I got them on, and we are playing a little bit of Kanye. And dude, they sound good. Plenty of bass, even though the drivers are only 6 millimeters. These things hit. I like that. I like that. Vocals are very clear. The bass is not muddy at all. Yeah, these are good. These are nice. I like these. These are similar to the Monster Clarity 8.0s. And those are one of my favorites. All right. Yeah, I wish you guys could hear this, man, because they sound good. All right. Yeah, I'm liking these. And they've got low latency game mode, and they've got wireless charging. All right, guys. So before I forget, let's do a quick mic check. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Doing a quick mic check on the Earfun Free Pro 2s. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Hopefully they sound good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. These are a pickup, right around 60 to 70 bucks. They've got very nice sound, very good bass, IPX5 water resistance, 30 hours of battery life, wireless charging. They fit really good. Yeah, I think they're a pickup. And I'll put some links in the description in case you want to check them out. As always, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission, and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. And as always, if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.